Okay. I am glad to see you. Let's start our lesson. The lesson I want with the following quote: change your mindset, believe yourself, be positive, and enjoy life. Do you agree with me?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Next. I share a group, the group using following program. Here the groups edges, graphs, and vertices. 3 groups. Next. What we learned from the last lesson?
We learned about compare algorithms, and also the homework was to memorize the terminology.
Terminology, okay. I will test terminology through the game chain. The game chain, it's the first student say first word, and the second student say his word or her word, and add your word, terminology. Let's start our game. To start, please welcome. Complain, okay?
Complain, compare.
Compare, Ағылшын.
Compare, consist.
Consist, Артем.
Compare, complain, exist, implement.
Implement, okay, good.
Compare, contain, compare,
Consist,
and
your, add,
and implement.
implement. Okay, good. Thank you.
Complain, compare, consist,
Implement,
calculate.
calculate. Carolina, please.
Complain, compare, consist, implement, and discuss.
Perfectly. Next one, Tarot.
Complain, compare, consist, implement, calculate, discuss, and algorithm.
Discuss and algorithm. Okay, Артем,
Complain, compare, consist, implement, calculate, discuss, algorithms, and possible.
super. Next.
Compare, exist,
And your implement
implement,
and your
calculate, and value.
value and finish. Masha, please.
Compare, consist, implement, calculate, discuss, algorithm, possible, and search.
Good job. Thank you. What do you see in the picture? How do you see? What do you see in the picture, please? Who can answer? Артем, please.
I see circles that connect with lines, numbers, and diagrams.
Good. And who can else? What do you can see in the picture, please? Henri, what do you see in the picture?
In this picture, I see a diagram and circles got
Connected?
connected with lines.
Thank you. Sit down. What do you think we will learn in class today, and what is the purpose of our lesson? Who can? Danny, please.
I think that today we will learn about graphs.
About graphs, okay.
Purpose of our lesson is about to learn about the graphs and their use in programming.
Well done. Okay, and the purpose of our lesson, who can add something?
I think we will create and use graph, and we will learn about this type.
Masha. Thank you. Right. Our term, graphs, please. Right, term, graphs. The purpose of our lesson, you will know the basic concepts of graphs, use a graph to solve practical problems. Do you understand?
Yes.
Success criteria, you will know the definition of graph, know the basic concept of types of graphs, and using graph to solve practical problems. New terminology, right terminology, I read and you read after me. Graph, graph, да? Edge, это край. Vertex, вершина. Node, узел, да? Implement, precisely, adjacency, array, efficient, and path. Думаю, все слова вам знакомы, некоторые, да, которые мы с вами проходили. Who can read? Jenny, please.
Graph, edge, vertex, node, implement, precisely, adjacency, array, efficient, path.
Timur, please read. You write this terminology.
Graph, edge, vertex, node, implement, precisely, adjacency, array, affection, path.
Thank you. Good job. Write please this terminology. And who can read? Kirill, please.
Graph, edge, vertex, node, implement, precisely, adjacency, array, efficient, and path.
Okay, good. Are you finished?
Not yet.
Finished? Have you finished? Please. Quickly. Next. What do you see in the picture?
Vertex.
Oh, what do you see in the blackboard?
Vertex.
Vertex. There are vertex. Graphs is a collection of objects. There are nodes or vertices, and the vertex connected to each other through the set of edges. Vertex V, it's A, B, C, D, and E. Edges A, B,
D,
B, B,
A, C,
C, E, and
E, D.
That's all.
that's all. How many edges this? Four. How many vertices? Five. Good. Graph is a collection of objects that we call nodes, vertices, and are connected to each other through a set of edges. Two types of graphs. Undirected graphs. This is graphs. What kind of graphs? Undirected graphs. And directed graphs. Directed graphs, if I have direction, it's what kind of? Directed graph. The edges have direction. For example, there's how many vertices? How many?
Seven.
Seven vertices. Please read. Artyom. Read vertices.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words.
Okay, good. Edges, please.
9.
Something.
9.
9.
9.
This. Read, please. Who read? Timo, read. Edges. This.
0, 1. 0,
2. And 1, 2. It's 2, 1 are the same.
1. 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 7.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Please, graph definitions, read. Andre, please read these definitions. These types, connected, disconnect, complete. Please read. Connected, come here, and read. And connected graph.
Connected graph has a path between each pair of distant vertices.
And the complete graph.
Complete graph has an edge between each pair of these two
Vertices. And the complete this graph.
Complete graph is also connected graph, but connected graph may not be a complete graph.
Okay, thank you. What is graphs in programming? Graphs in programming may be, for example, Facebook. Facebook is a collection of nodes or vertices, video, links, photos, and so on. It's for nodes. For example, Facebook, everything is a node. That includes user, photo, album, event, groups, comments, story, video, and anything. How to create graph? Please read, Abdullah. How to create graph?
Every relationship is an edge from all of Facebook is then a collection of these nodes and edges. This is because Facebook uses a graph data
Structure? Data structure?
Data structure to store its data. More precisely, a graph is a data structure. Structure that consists of
and V and E.
V and E that consists of a collection of vertices VA, collection of which is E, represented as ordered pairs of vertices.
It's okay. If graph equal V and E. This is comment. Do you understand?
Yes.
Next. Adjacency matrix. Adjacency matrix. This in the picture graphs you can see, and this is connected. 0, 0, no 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0, 2, 1, 0, 3, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 1. 1, 3, 0. Are you clear?
Yes.
And the adjacency list. Adjacency list represents graph as an array or linked list. The index of the array represents a vertex and each element in its linked list. This 0 and have direction 1, 2, 3. And 1, 0, 2. 0, or 2, 0 and 3, 0. Have directions. Success card method. You find pass location points, direction, and determine the coordinates, please. Individual work, individual. Start. Individual work, success card method. Please. I give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and I take. Start. Write how many edges, write how many vertices, and connect, determine coordinates, please. undirected graphs, AB10, AB7, DE3, CE6, BC9, and BE8. And the next, same, the same. Who has all the answers correctly? All correctly. Then come here and please explain how do do it. How did it?
In the first picture, there's 5 vertices. They are A vertice, D vertice, E vertice, C vertice, and B vertice. Between there's 6 edges. AB that equals 10, AD that equals 7, DE that equals 3, BE that equals 8, BC that equals 9, and CE that equals 6. It's undirected because there's no direction between this. The edges doesn't have directions, so this is an undirected graph. Okay. The second picture, there's 5 vertices, A, C, E, B, D, and 7 edges. 7 edges. AC equals 10, CE equals 7, CD equals 4, DE equals 3, AB equals 9, CB equals 6, and BD equals 6.
Perfectly. Why these graphs undirected? Why?
Because the edges doesn't have directions, and in the second one they do have directions. So the second one isn't direct graph.
Okay. Next. Здесь видео пока у нас мы не сможем открыть, попозже посмотрим, сейчас у меня интернет не подключается. До этого подключался, когда 5 минут осталось, не знаю, что интернету подключения нету. Так, следующий тогда. Next task, please. I'll give you next task. This work in pairs. Тимур, как мне? Work in pairs. Fill in blanks. How many vertices, edges, and this fill in blanks in the graph, edges to the graph, shown is the figure. Work in pairs, please. I give you 2 minutes. Masha, please read. Come here, read.
The first A is
0.
So we don't have
Edge.
AD
AD.
is 0.
0.
Because there is not H.
AE.
AB is 4.
4. Right.
C is 10. CB is 10. And CD is 0. DB is 0. ED is 6. And EE is 2.
You are right. Sit down. Next. Next time physical minute. We are students. Every time physical minute prepare. Мои ученики каждый раз делают физминутку по-разному. Значит, они могут спеть песню, потанцевать и так далее. В этот раз сделали физминутку у нас Тимур and Шахнур. Come here. Физминут is stand up. Name and what music, please.
Hello, my name is Timur, and today we organize 6 minutes. The song name is Never Gonna Give You Up, and I give my classmates the list with text, and so let's sing.
Start, please.
Hello everyone. So far in this series on data
Start. Think and define method. This is rule determines the properties of the objects according to the given picture and compares them. It's немножко проблемы из-за этого у нас. Так, попробуйте. Вот, значит, вам нужно определить, да, какая фигура здесь каждому. Можно было на экране, но здесь экран что-то не можем подключить. Вы сидя попробуйте. Значит, вам нужно определить, какая фигура, какой график. Start. I give you 3 minutes, please. Сейчас я могу в WhatsApp скинуть, если что. Можете поближе подойти, смотреть, если не видите. Смотрите. Там жарко, конечно. Square, sphere, куб, призма, призм, cone, это конус, да? Цилиндр. Have you finished? Okay, start. Then please come here, this notebook. Alright. Few figures. Changes.
Cube is 6 spaces, 14 inches, 826, alpha is a square.
Okay. Good job. Next. And oh.
Sphere is 0 faces, 0 edges.
No. It's okay. Okay. Next. It's okay.
Cone is 1.
It's right. One vertex. Next.
Also
5 faces. No. 8 edges. Ah, it's okay. All right. Next. Okay. All right. Next game, find the word. Find the word, please. Come here. Come here. And find word.
The first word is
Graph. Okay. Thank you. Next, student. Next, book on. Edge. You are open to the numbers. Okay. Next. It's what's the word? Come here and then find word. Vertex. All right. Next. What is the word? It's no, да? Так откройте. Но практически здесь не так. Quickly. 3 minutes. I give you 3 minutes. Excel open and write the ellipse and the vertices. Thank you. The practical work is write the given graph using the adjacency matrix. Descriptor defines graph elements, creates a table, describes graphs using a connection matrix. Working pairs. Working pairs. Open the Excel and you write. How many connected adjacency matrix or adjacency list you need? You should write. Первый слог. Потом закончим. Кто первый слог? Okay, we'll finish that. Please read. 1-1.
We have 5 nodes. Age between 1 and 1 is 0. Age between 1 and 2 is 7. Between 1 and 3 is 3. Between 1 and 4 is 2. And between 1 and 5 is 4.
Okay, that's right. Okay. Stop. Stop it. And next, write please homework. What is the difference between graph in programming and just graph? How to represent graph in programming? First question. And the next question, what kind of variable or data structure used to store a graph? Page 136 and 139. Олжас, write. And memorize new general knowledge. Have you finished? Yes. Many photos? Maybe. Feedback panel, please. QR code open and write feedback. Ссылку я скину. Может, ссылку через ссылку. I think the lesson will be interesting, was interesting. I thank you very much. My students very active, courageous, especially Leonid. 9 points Artyom, 9 points Masha, 9 points Andrei, 8 points Kirill, 8 points Timur, 8 points. Be active. Who can feedback say? Who can feedback say, please? Leonid.
I liked the lesson. It was useful and interesting. Specifically, I liked working in notebook.
Who can help say about lesson, please? Kirill, please. About lesson, something.
Lesson was very nice. The most interesting was practice, but with notes and table in Excel.
Oh, thank you. Very good. And Carolina, please.
Thank you for the lesson. The training was really useful and interesting, and the most interesting was simulation and maths.
You are very clever students. Thank you. The lesson is over. Thank you. Собираться, убраться, следующий урок сейчас.